Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers Legacy United? I don't know. Legacy Windblade. And yes, I've already reviewed this figure, but now she comes with the Nonnef Productions upgrade kit. And this kit is awesome. Here's her original sword and her new updated sword, which can still peg in to that slot and can actually peg into this peg right here. And this upgrade set is awesome. I mean, it's so minimal, but improves this figure by a lot. The sword is very cool. You have options. You can go with red, clear, smoky, and I don't remember there was a fourth option. I went with red. I think purple. But yeah, I went with red, and it's very nice. But this just pegs onto the wing, getting rid of all of that hollowness right there. You have to unpeg it when you get it from them, and maybe clean up any of the bits right there, and then just pegs on there, and it somehow, just that alone just makes it feel more solid. Doesn't interfere with transformation. So that. Now my Windblade has the head swap. I think I was the head swap from the Generations figure. So just that head swap alone made me love this figure a lot more. Now with that head swap and the upgraded wings, just makes it so much better. This is what Hasbro should have given us. Enough with the cost cutting hollowness. You've raised the price of the figure so much, you might as well just not cheap out. It is a little thick, but I think it just looks too cool. And here she is with her new sword. It just gives her a very sleek, stealthy look. Like she's ready to slice up some opponents. And still has this one. This one, I think I wound up with two of them. I thought it looked cool. I like her wielding 2 swords. That looks cool. But I wish they didn't give her that flame look. I'm almost tempted to order another set just for the sword. These will now just peg in to the side. See, because if you have her with the sword at the side, it just looks like she has flaming swords powered up or something. Oh well. Angela, you're back. And you're gone. But yeah, I really like the look of this. I like her Generations head with these wings and that sword. Man, it looks awesome. You can go to the Nonnef Productions website. I think these were about $9, $5 shipping, I think. I'm just guessing, or rounding up. To make the shipping worth it, I order other things. So if there's something else on that site that I think is cool, I'll order it, and I did. But yeah, I really wanted this. This is really cool. Now I found something I must have had for a long time from Nonnef Productions. Again, I must have ordered 2 things, because the last thing I ordered was the Optimus Prime Earthrise set upgrade kit. Then I guess I ordered this, and I have no idea what these are for. They look like ratchets. I don't know. If someone knows what these are, let me know. But there she is, looking awesome. Thanks for watching.